everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the Crafty Corner.
Hi everybody, welcome back to the Crafty Corner. If you're new here, thank you for popping in. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you here as a crafty creator. For all my returning crafty creators, thank you for popping back in. So I'm just bringing you one more concept. Y'all know I'm just going to bring them to you as I do them. And you know, if you want to LLC them, please, by all means. But I am just trying to give you some easy ideas for Father's Day that you can do. And these involve using Dollar Tree items, items from Dollar General, just items that you can put together for a very nice, easy concept. All right, so this one is just one of the grooming bags concepts. All right, and you do not have to have a basket for everything that you do, okay? All right, these little bags come with those big cushions in there, and I just simply reinforced that cushion so that these items would stand up there using one of the wooden trays. All right, so I have the Power Stick set in here. It is a body wash, the whites and the body spray. We have a Dove cream in here, as well as a shower steamer and a pair of sunglasses. All right, and that is a rainbow perfume back here, a men's cologne. All right, and that is what is in this. And then I just topped it with this little gray bow. All right, so I think that this set turned out really nice. This is, like I said, using products that do not cost a whole lot of money. So let's add it up, okay? We have our 3 power set items, all right, that were $1.25 each. All right, and then our Dove was $1.25 each. So that is $5 right there. All right, our glasses and our shower steamer will come to about $1. So we're at $6.25. Plus the tray down in there, $7.50. And then our perfume, which was, we'll say $5. It was $4.99 at Rainbow. All right, so $7.50 plus our $5 is $12.50. All right, and the bag I paid a penny for. So for $12.51, we'll add $1 for the bow and $1 for the shrink wrap. $14 to make this gift. All right, and I am asking $45 for this gift set. All right, this is a very nice gift set. I'll bring it a little closer so you can see it better. See, this sunglasses there, and our perfume, and everything doesn't have to be visible, y'all. The backing is the back of the bag here. All right, but this is a very nice gift set, and yes, it will sit up by itself, okay? It's not going to fall over. All right. All right. So it is sitting up. So please tell me what you think down in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing. Hi everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the Crafty Corner crafting.